I've been using Adobe Animate, well, better known as Macromedia Flash, for over 25, 26 years. I've actually been teaching it that many years. This year I'm making the transition to Toon Harmony, specifically the premium edition for teaching my 2D animation class. So I'm going to be teaching a whole series on this. If you'd like to follow along and learn the fundamentals, it is a very different tool than Flash or Animate or Real Illusions, Cartoon Animator. So it does take a little bit of getting used to. If this is something that you think you would like, I am going to be using a drawing pad or a drawing tablet. I've got both. I switch back and forth between them depending on what the project is. You can check the link before for my affiliate links and help support my channel. If you've got any questions or would like to see something specific with Toon Harmony, or or with the old Adobe Animate, or even Real Illusion Cartoon Animator, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to create a tutorial for that.